So in our last class, we had seen several methods that are available in the ArrayList class, right? For example, adding, removing, adding at the specific index, removing from the specific index, replacing, all such methods we had seen. And also we had seen some methods where we can manipulate with the multiple lists, right? When there is a list 1 and list 2, right? So far we had seen in a list we could add any type of elements or any type of objects, whether it is a int or string or boolean or the double float, whatever it is, right? But if you want to restrict an array list to accept only one type of element, let's say for example, if I create a list and I want to add all the elements which belongs to integer type, how do I do that? Let's see that. Let's create a new Java class, fg esvm. Okay, array list. You see here the diamond operator, which is called as the diamond operator, less than, greater than, and here you specify integer. So for the array list we need to have the import array list equal to, everything else is going to be same, there is nothing to change. Now I add list dot add of 100, list dot add of 100, list dot add of 200. Try to add list dot add of abc. This is failing. You see here itself you are getting the compilation error, it is not accepting. Just over the mouse on here, it says required type is integer, provided is string. That is because the array list, while creating the array list here, we had specified to integer, right? So in this list we cannot add any elements other than integer. We cannot add any elements or any objects other than integer. So this is wrong. You should not put this line. Okay, it will work. Cannot add boolean also. List dot add of boolean also you cannot add. You cannot add some double value also. List dot add of 10.06. Nothing can be added. Only the integer values can be added in this. Only the integer values can be added this. Similarly, if I want to create an array list which accepts only the string types, so here I put the string in the diamond operator, right? I'll name it as a string array list, string list equal to new array list. Okay, now I say list dot add of abc list dot add of xyz. Sorry, not list, right? This is a string list, right? String list. Yeah. String list dot add of MNO. Similarly, if I try to add any elements with some other data types, for example 100 is a integer data type, right? So this is not acceptable. But add, so 100 is a number here, we are enclosing it in the double quotes. That means so this 100 will be treated as a text, as a string. So this will be string list dot add of, this is also not acceptable. Okay. Similarly, if you want to create array list of other data type. You can tell me any other data type. Say boolean. Boolean list is equal to booleans can add only either true or false, not more than that. Right? It's not acceptable. Dot add out to something like this is not acceptable. This how you can specify any data type and then you can use it. In real time, we mostly use in this way. We specify the data type of the list. We specify it in the real time. We don't use the common array list which accepts something like this. And in fact, this is wrong also. This is good to understand, but all the methods, the behavior of all the methods, the functionality, everything is right. But in real time, we don't use this way. We always specify the data type in the diamond operator based on the requirement. Let's write another program GH. List equal to. Did we learn about the sort method by any chance already? Can anybody tell me if anybody remembers? Okay, we did not learn about it. Add on 400 dot.
Your voice is not audible correctly, Rahul. And also screen also.
What happened? Is it the same case with everybody or only with you?
Yes, for me also it is. It's not visible. That's why I left the meeting and I joined back.
From how long it is
The
happening?
program also we can't see that.
From how
In
long it is
Boolean
happening?
instructed
From long time, sir.
Boolean. We can see that line only.
Guys, if this is the long time, you need to tell me upfront, right? You cannot tell me after half an hour, right? Then whom am I telling all these things?
Sir, your voice is not audible.
No, that's what I'm. Are you still okay? Let me rejoin once.